Well, we've jumped over here to the second Nordic Fest tree, and the first thing you're going to notice is this is not subdued like the last one with the light blue and the whites. This one has bright red, and we have all the soft whites. Now, it still feels soft, and the first thing, of course, that jumps out is the polar bear. He's right in the main center of the tree. We have a polar bear that is skiing. We have a polar bear that is on a sled, and he is sledding throughout our tree. The ribbons are all a nice fabric with a nice red stitch of a snowflake billowing down through the branches. We have a lot of little glitter, a little bit of red berries and shine, but when we start looking at the ornaments on this designer tree, we have some standouts. We have these felted ornaments that are of a heart. They're a red felt with a nice stitching on them. These are doing very well. This is an older style, this snowflake, and this one's just sitting right in here. This is a wooden snowflake with white from a previous season, and you know, it's just a good size. It's about a 6-inch snowflake. A lot of people are using these. A lot of people are loading these up on their carts because they're going to use these as a universal and just to pop them in any place in a tree, kind of like what they did here. If you have a little spot that you want to put something in, that nice whitewash wooden ornament, that is a really good one from seasons past. A new one that we have is this felted penguin. He is super cute. He's got his little red and white cap on and his little scarf, and you know, he just looks warm, like he's made of like a little wool or a little felt, and you can kind of squeeze him, but he just looks like he's cuddly and warm, and he's doing very well on our list from this show. We have these tag ornaments in blue, and the blue really stands out. So as we see this tag ornament right here, this is a wooden resin. It looks like it's wood on the backdrop, and then it's kind of got a gloss on it of the little house. These tag ornaments are also climbing quickly and doing well. Now, last season, we had this new glass ornament with the gnome on it, and he had this 3-dimensional nose right there. And everybody would walk up to the ornament and they go, oh, how cute, he's got a little button nose. And so we have another new ornament with a gnome nose, just like that, that's 3-dimensional. And this one is a disc ornament, and this is going to surprise you. We have disc ornaments this year that are not circular. And so all of a sudden we've got the gnome with his 3-dimensional nose on a disc ornament that's trimmed out in the outside of black, and it is super cute and it is moving very quickly. What? This is a 2-sided ornament as well. So this is something that our customers have asked for, making sure that our disc ornaments are decorated on both sides, and that little 3-dimensional nose is really hot. Now these gnomes we came out with last year, they're going to be on this tree again for you because this is a bestseller. And then we have this one, and I'm going to do it. Are you ready? It's got the snow right on the inside of the ornament. Hopefully not going to pull it off the tree there. But I love how it has the little snow in there, and you can just shake it up. Super cute to have. As we look at the top of the tree, one of the top things that people are looking for, especially our customers, are what are we going to do at the top of the tree? Well, in this case, we have a gnome up there. We have a lot of stems. We have the birch branches out there, but we have the new ornament that are the red cardinals, and these are a wooden ornament with a nice red glazing. It's simple. Is that not simple? It's like a Scandinavian style. But here's what I like what they did with this tree. And I'm not sure if you've noticed this when you looked at it on the virtual showroom, but it comes off the branches and the bird's just kind of situated, and it comes right on over here to the wreath, so it's drawing the eye. As we're looking at the top of the tree, we're drawing directly over. It comes right back down and then right back into our tree. So that's a good design tip that the designers gave us to make sure that we're always bringing the eye around and then bringing them back to what we want them to see. Okay. The other set I want to show you is a set of 4 ornaments that are selling very, very well, and the designers wanted to make sure they could challenge me. So the first set of them are right here, and they're a snowflake, and they come in a red or a blue, and they have this pattern on it. But this is a set of 4 assorted ornaments, and they put half of them on this tree, and then they put the other half on another tree.